How to fix call failed iPhone iOS 18. First, make sure that your SIM card is properly working. If not, contact the authorized cellular service provider. If the issue is not with the SIM card, then it might be on the device. Here are a few steps to resolve the issue. Airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now tap on the airplane icon, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn off. Next, try to make a call to check. If it is not working, then try next. Check settings interrogation. For this, open the phone app. Make sure you're in the keypad section. Now dial *#31# and make a call to that number. A restriction disabled confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. Then try to make a call. If it is not working, then try next. Change cellular settings. First, open the Settings app on your device and tap on Cellular. Next, click on the Cellular Data options, then tap on Voice and Data. Here, change the options to 5G on or 5G auto. Now, go back to the Cellular Settings page and click on the Network Selection option. Here, you will find the Automatic option. Make sure the switch is toggled on. Next, try to make a call. If it is not working, then try next. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app and look for the General option and tap on it. Now, scroll down to find the Transfer and Reset iPhone option and click on it. Next, look at the Reset option at the bottom, then tap on it. Multiple options will pop up and click on Reset Network Settings. It will prompt you to enter the passcode and tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Now, try to make a call. If it is not working, then try next. Force restart. Go to the home screen on your device. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, try to make a call. If it is not working, then contact Apple support. After trying the above methods and still getting the call failed message, it may be a hardware issue. Visit an authorized Apple service center to fix the issue, and that's it.